Hi guys, Cheesy the Cheese here. This is X-Demon.
Ito mas better. Bro, what the hell, man? Bro.
By the way,
Byron lang ko.
by the way, don't just laugh at Marcos,
Bro, what the
the X-Demon. But
don't
I laugh, so
Don't video, please.
I know. Okay.
Please, no.
Okay, but don't reveal. Okay? Don't reveal your
In your freaking mouth.
By the way, this is X-Demon. Anyways, there's Mom. Mom, say hi. Because I'm going to do a video. Mom, anyway, say hi. Because I was going to post a video. Twice
No,
a day.
not twice.
Twice a day.
No,
I just said twice a day or
No.
5 years.
Ano?
Then what?
Once a week. Not twice a day.
Okay.
You did it already.
I know.
Don't post it.
What? Ooh. Can I go now? What the?
Nakita mo iPad ko? Good yan! I just put it there for you.
Oh. Give me the candy.
Hindi kayo kinig.
All the candies. Where's the? Oh, this.
Ano lang ako ng isang
Column. By the way, this is Demon. X-Demon got recorded. That's X-Demon. He revealed the changer.
No!
Fine, but you still need to promise me that if you do the trolling again, I'm going to kill you. Oh, no, I mean
What's the song?
that if you trick me by the
Trolling you
Robux,
in the cleaning
by using your gift card Robux, I'm just going to record. I just don't look like stud.
You don't look like stud.
Yeah. Because I'm bad at TFB, bro. Yeah.
Upo lang.
By the way, I'm going.
Super sneeze is too easy to do.
I'm going to. Okay. Call them.
Pahingid daw. Saan mo nakuha? Sa pipi ko. Saan mo kinuha to?
By the way, this Byron.
Sa diarrhea. Doon lang. Sa isang box sa lika.
Anyways, tell a joke. Tell a joke, Marcus. I don't show your face. Oh. Ano yun?
Ano yan? Lagkit dyan sa
Call them. Call them.
sa titi ko.
Ay!
The videos. I-video mo yan.
Ay, kasi nakabigyo eh.
Tumingin ka sa ano mo sa video mo. Tumingin ka sa video mo. May inedit ako.
May in-edit ko.
Tumingin ka sa
Blueberry flavor.
Tumingin ka sa ano mo. May inedit ako dyan.